Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Do you want to learn English? Do you want to speak English fluently? Come and join us. Let me ask you a question. What is the best way to learn English? The answer is simple. Practice makes perfect. If you practice speaking English every day, you will become fluent in a short time. Now, I'm going to give you some tips to help you practice English. Tip no uno. Find a good learning method that works for you. There are many ways to learn English, such as watching movies, listening to music, or speaking with native speakers. Find a method that you enjoy and that fits your learning style. Tip number 2. Set realistic goals for yourself. Don't try to learn too much English too quickly. Set small goals that you can achieve and build up from there. Tip number 3. Practice regularly. It's important to practice English regularly in order to make progress. Try to allocate at least 30 minutes each day to practicing English. Tip number 4. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they are learning a new language. It's important not to let this discourage you. Just keep practicing and you will eventually become fluent. Tip no 5. Have fun while learning English. Learning a new language should be enjoyable, so make sure to have fun while you're learning. Watch movies, listen to music, and speak with friends. Now let's look at some of the ways you can practice English. One way to practice your English is to study with other students. This can be a great way to learn new vocabulary and grammar rules. You can also practice speaking English with your classmates. Another way to practice English is to listen to podcasts or watch videos in English. This can help you improve your listening skills and your pronunciation. You can also take notes on new words and phrases you learn. You can also practice your writing skills by keeping a journal in English. Write about your day, your thoughts, or anything else that interests you. This is a great way to improve your grammar and punctuation. And finally, don't forget to practice your speaking skills. You can practice speaking English with native speakers or with other English learners. You can also talk to yourself or record yourself speaking English. This is a great way to improve your fluency and confidence. So these are just a few tips and suggestions for how you can practice English. Remember that everyone learns at their own pace, so do you want get discouraged if you won't see results immediately. Just keep practicing and you will eventually reach your fluency goals. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share this video if you think it's useful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English learning videos.